Today I show you how to change the Instagram notification sound. So when you receive a message in Instagram, or you receive a private message or a comment, or someone posted something you want to see, this is how you change the notification for Instagram. I show you the settings on Android 15, Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, but this will work on any Android phone. This is the Instagram app here, and I will press on this menu right there. You can see notifications. So I went back, there is the notifications option, and you can choose to pause all notifications if you want to pause them, but you have to enable the notifications you want. For following and followers, you can get a notification when you get a new follower, or someone accepts your follow request. You can get that, and you can do all these settings here. You can change all these settings, but I'll show you in the Android system, in the system where you can control outside of the Instagram app, how the notification are